Hi, I'm Liam, aka Grey Rose, and welcome back to the Road to the Hall of Fame. Today we're going to be doing more of the XSSy of medium labs, I guess. Probably upload bypass, encoding type spoofing. We might even get some CSP exfiltration in there as well, and we'll see. But without further ado, let's get going. We are actually, before we go, I think we're only about 50. Yeah, we're about what? Oh god, mental maths. 50, 20, 24 points. Should not have taken me as long as it did. 24 points away from being there, so we might even be able to get there today. I hope to get there today. First of all, let's launch the lab. Boom. So enter your name, Liam. Permit. Hello, Liam. Let's choose a file as well. Let's go to Documents, Tools, and it's wanting a JavaScript file. Really? Except JS files. Okay, well, we'll do that. Let's see. Let's upload an SVG. Well, let's try and upload an SVG file. This won't work, as we'll see, but we'll make it a file not allowed. We're gonna jump that into a repeater. You can see there's access, so we have to find a way of oh, that was allowed. I wonder then if this is going to execute. I don't think it will. No, because it's going to, when it's just returned, which you'll see here. Okay, I need to unhide those. You can see there that it's the content type's being served as text JavaScript. So what we're going to do here is hopefully send that. Aha, okay, so can't use the null file types. Let's get XHTML. This was not allowed. JS.html. See if it's doing like that. It's not. End in .js. Yeah, that's allowed. Let's try a null byte there as well. Well, that's allowed. Okay, let's see if it was just null bytes. Zoom in a bit more here as well. Actually see it. Oh, that's a bit much. Oh, bollocks. For fuck's sake. Fuck. Yeah, okay. So it is unfortunately just saving that and then returning it here, which is unfortunate. So I wonder if there are any other file types that we can use. Let's have a little look at the notes. What do I want? Probably file upload bypasses. Got a lot of notes. A lot of notes. See, file upload bypasses. Upload file uploads. I sometimes call this web shells. Can never remember what I called it. Might be web shells. Yeah. Polyglot. I guess we could use a polyglot, but surely not. No. Let's have a look at this. So we can't do HTML. It needs to be a .js file, which we can't do unless this isn't CSP upload bypass. Okay. Hang on a second. It allows JavaScript files. Let's have another look at the name. Can the name be a script that references itself? Equals. Yes, it can. Whoa, what the fuck was that? Okay. Right, okay. So what you actually need to do is back here, save that payload. Well, choose a file. Well, actually, I'll just upload it using burp because we've got this here. This is going to be xss.js, and it's going to be alert document.cookie. Alert document.cookie. So upload that. That's going to be allowed. Then we're going to submit this. And ooh, is that not allowed? Yeah, XSS.js. Alert document.cookie. Fuck's sake. Let's have a gander. I was really expecting that to work. Duplicate. It might just not like me. No. Upload XSS.js script. Oh, what a moron. I put href as opposed to source. SRC. Right, now we go. Yeah, fuck me. Okay, cool. Right. That was embarrassing. More coffee needed, definitely. How fucking long did that take me? 6 minutes, okay. No, that's not so bad. But now on our way, right, encoding type spoofing. Ink type spoofing. Let's go here, enter my name, first. Oh. Oh. What? So that's okay, and then that gets picked up by presumably some client-side JavaScript. Yes. Gotta get the flag from that. Coding type spoofing. Oh wait, hang on a second. Can't I just? Oh wait, no, but can't. But what I can do is if I raw this. So this is an interesting one. I think what we're meant to do here is do not accept encoding. Where's content type? Where the fuck's content type? Oh, for fuck's sake. There you go. So if we change this, change body encoding to form URL encoded, right? So that'll go back there. What we can then do is we can set this to that. You can see that here, right? Let me just do. So what we can do instead is sometimes if I grab this, what I'm trying to get at here is you can't do cross-site request forgery via JSON. It just doesn't work. So, but you can sometimes spoof the encoding type by doing this. Specifically, well, actually, if you set the name to something like this, then equals, and then put this as part of the, effectively just spoof the parameter. So like that equals test. Is this not presentation? No, it's not. Equals 1, like that. Sometimes it'll let you do that. There you go. So even though it's where is it? It's application X www URL form encoded. It's still doing that. So you can see what we've actually got here is it's stylizing it as JSON. which it's actually not. When this is interpreted by the server, what it's seeing is this as a name of something. Well, no, sorry, other way around. The browser is allowing this to be set as a name. If I try to, oh, fucking, oh, for fuck's sake. Of course. 1 second, let me just. Like so, if I send that, then that's also going to work. What this is actually looking like is that's the name of a parameter and that's the value of a parameter when it's actually sent as a non-JSON structure, which is good fun. So anyway, what I'm going to do, so this is like the value name. Anyway, let me go grab the form. Edit HTML. We're going to go Control-A, Control-C. Grab this back here. Then where's my labs? My labs are here. Payload hosting. It's going to be inc type.html. Let's do this properly. Encoding type. So HTML. Just to make it a bit prettier for me. So here the ID is going to be, what the name of it's going to be. Let me just have a quick look. So ID equals name, which we're not going to do. We're going to do name equals name, and value equals whatever our value is. Now, what we're actually going to do is we're going to set the name of this parameter to this. Right? So this is going to go right like that, and then the value of this is going to be set to this. Again, wrapped in single quotes because we have to use the double quotes, like so. Then we do input type submit form script document get element d me dot submit, like so. Let me just add our ID to our form here. Boom. If I save that and then do it, that decided not to work. Oh, because it's action. I always forget those. Sure. Yeah, action. What have I forgotten to do? Oh, it's not submitting. Oh, got to close the script. Was that actually it? It might be. Let's put this in single quotes. That shouldn't matter, but sometimes it's just good to write things correctly. Excellent. Love that. Oh yeah. Got to add the method in. It's like 5 o'clock on a Sunday, so I think that's the sound of my dishwasher failing again. Oh, what a gimp. So that needs to go there. I'm just cocking everything up today, aren't I? Swearing like a bloody sailor as well. What have I messed up here? Let's go CSRF. That should work. See what the difference is here. Yeah, that should be. It's not. I don't like the fact that it's doing that. Yeah, XW URL form encoded. Oh. Oh, can it? Ah, are we not having to do that? Are we literally? Does it literally just want? No, because it's asking you to eval JSON. Like if you do this, yeah, because eval JSON string with this error, because it should be one of true, false, null, as much string should be quoted. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is what should be happening. Um, well, I've got. Um, I've got another example of this, so let's just bang this in here. Form post action is so I've been practicing on Hyperbox, eh? Copy URL. Let's do this. Oh, you've got to put encoding type of text plain on there. I think. Let's find out. Okay. We don't need that either. This gonna work? Hey, right, okay. So the important bit is you need to, on here, make sure you've got encoding type text plain, because when that's then sent, yeah, like that. So what we can then do is copy this, copy link address, and submit this to page. That's actually quite a clever one. And yeah, you do need to. So the thing was correct. You just need to remember your encoding types equals text plain. Otherwise, I guess it tries to URL encode it. It's interesting that that is a browser controllable action though, or like a HTML controllable action, because you'd imagine that would be controlled somewhere else. But anyway, what time are we on? What time are we on? Oh, that's almost 20 minutes. Oh no, fuck! We were doing so well. We were doing so well. Look, we'll leave it here then for today, and let's see if we can't get to the Hall of Fame in the next one. But I'm not making a complete hash of it. Anyway, in a bit.